This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making mincemeat and tofu omelette, and we are serving it over rice.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is a one-bowl meal that's quick to make and is nutritious and delicious to eat. Perfect for the weekday dinner in front of the TV or in front of the mobile phone. So, in a bowl, beat 3 eggs. Now to make the sauce. In another bowl, combine 100 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of pepper. Next, cut up a block of firm tofu into cubes. In a hot pan over medium heat, fry 2 cloves of minced garlic. When fragrant, add the minced pork. You can use chicken or beef instead if you prefer. Break up the meat. When the meat is mostly cooked, add the sauce mixture. Let the sauce come to a boil, then add the tofu. Pour in the eggs. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let the eggs set. Taste and adjust for seasoning before serving over rice. Minced pork and tofu omelette over rice. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.